Hello guys, and welcome to a item showcase in Terraria. And today I am of course gonna be showcasing the one and only amazing and true Terrarian. We're gonna be showcasing two weapons. Pew pew pew, meow to the mirror. Oh wham wham wham. Terrarian to the fucking Terrarian. T to the fucking Terrarian. Mate. There. So we're gonna go beat. Shit out of the dead end. I'm only doing this for the sake of goodness and you guys knowing what to pick. All I'm trying to do is give you guys one heck of a party. Have one heck of a party. Because I feel like nothing is a party without good fucking weapons. I'm just gonna clear these guys out so you can get a good glimpse of what it does. When I beat the moon with them, that is when I am going to cover the main stats. This is like the vanity part, so you will have to skip through the video because somebody wants to see a full fight with them. I would like very much. And so that is what I'm delivering. Now these get big and they'll be flush over to me. Now I trash them. Heal. Boop. Have to bother with me. I don't have very good stuff. And I'm out of flow. There we go, this has gone down, and I think we're just gonna kinda defeat this dude by wrecking him with the meowmer. Bounce the shit up and down, swag around, like Capoweroni. Defeat these dudes. Now they begin rubbing hearts, which is lovely because that means that I'm expressing love. And of course they love me. Ooh, they love it hard when I trash them. Yes. Okay, you enjoying? It's fine. No, ain't a big deal. Now, I have defeated them with the Terrarian. Go and defeat Nebular. Nebu to the Larium. Nebu to the Pillar. Okay. Let's run fast. Let's just rush in, guns blazing, just fucking wreck him again. Yeah, I like this. It's going to be good. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's do it good, so we don't have to do it again. That would certainly be embarrassing, wouldn't it? This is a word. I feel like after this video I have to go and get some shit. Like summon the Moon Lord a bunch of times because I can't bother to doing this. This is about the showcase, you know? The showcase. The good stuff. And yes, I did get this fair. I didn't cheat. I don't need to cheat. Cheat is weak. let's deal with these guys. Yes. Because I think we need to deal with these guys. You guys have to hang on for a minute. They're beauty. Just sit back and enjoy the full-length fight. Lord. No sped up, no nothing. Just raw footage. I know that some of you guys like, some of you guys hate. Tell me, really tell me much down in the comments. Like, I think if you want, just tell me something, the comments would be the place to tell me. There you go. Now it's gone. Now you're weak, huh? Huh? Okay, so here we need one of those. Those. And one of those. Stardust one. Do I have the Stardust? Yeah, there we go. Free lift. Now what's happening? That one, that one, that one, that one. There we go, now they're all activated. And sucking and spewing. All they want. Come on, stickers. Follow me, my trusty steed. It does about good damage. Well, I think that has been nerfed. So it's like supposed to deal 1,000 damage. So I don't know. I don't know very much. Here we go. This is it. This is fighting the shit that I don't know how to defeat. But hold on. What is this that I activated? There you go. Now I get some power from them. Gives me power. Oh, heal. This is gonna be a hard battle because the solar pillars is a hard one to do with. It's like the Dave defense system. And this is my own defense system. I invented it. It defends me from the most damage. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. But you have a tanky setup as me, as I do. And then you would be able to do it. Using this, and you just stand in the middle, and it will kill all the enemies that is trying to hurt you. It says it will. One would need to be quite unlucky to not survive. You already crit much with these weapons. I again, soon we're gonna defeat the Moon Lord. A glorious battle. I could just go rage mode. It's my own speciality. Rage mode only available for David. That master can't die. Me, you know, aka David. Because oh shoot. Because I think you guys is just not enough people telling you that these weapons are good. Just see it for yourself how good they actually are. Then you can decide whether or not it's worth or whether it is worth. That was like with Martin Luther. You know, back then people didn't know what was saying, what was written in the Bible, what you call it there. But because of him, now they do. That's just amazing. Yeah, this was my self-defense tactic. Mark 3. Because if we look on the map, go all the way there. I'm not going to give a fuck. I'll just run. Faster than the captain carriers. There's gonna be a limit. Here's my cat army. Oh, sure good. No, they're just gonna come and then they just wanna see this. An army of epic shrizzle. Fucking flying for you. Just Terrarian again because I like the Terrarian. Yeah, it wasn't for yo-yos, but I must say, I love this yo-yo. It's actually an amazing weapon. I'm lining up a shot. I'm lining up a shot. Don't let those bills get to be queen. They'll just wreck your time. So kill, slaughter all the enemies before they get to be any good. Slaughter them when you can. And this guy activate. Okay. You know what? Wait. We got those stickers. The dragon is here. It's all good. Oh fuck! No, that was the wrong weapon. The wrong weapon. But you need to see how good these weapons are for yourself, because if somebody tells you, oh, this is good, you use only attack and quite like it. Wasn't quite my kind of thing. No, I just wasted a whole bunch of time and probably a lot of money, but from dying. Impending doom now approaches, so hurry out of here. The most. We're gonna go over here. Long range of this yo-yo. It's speedy. Now this is my arena of epic shizzle. Activate this one. And look at this. Bubs, let's be ready. Yeah. Here it comes. Here it comes. You're beaten. Beat him hard. Here he goes. Let's kill his eye. Kill his eye first. I think all I can do, I think the Moon Lord is Christian or Buddha or Arab. That would be quite interesting to find out. It would certainly say.